How to fast and easy enable and use the built-in surface level in our Samsung Galaxy A54. If you want to know if your surface, if your table is not leveled, you can use your phone to know how leveled it is. Where it is very easy. You only have to use your edge functions and activate it and activate the tools. If the tools are activated, you're gonna see this option that it's a compass. You can calibrate it, and then you're gonna go to the three dots that's in the top and select your surface level, and this is gonna tell you if you're in the level position, where you're gonna do if you have to move or lift your table or not. If this is not activated in your phone, all you have to go is to settings, display, find the option called edge panels, then select turn it on, then select panels and activate the option called tools, and that's all you have to do. Like the channel, subscribe to the channel, comment the channel, and give me some bucks to my PayPal account. Thank you.